when the root grow towards water or the roots grow towards earth, what is the stimulus there? Can you guess? The roots always go in search of water. So water is the stimulus there. When root system grow towards earth, the water is the stimulus there. So the tropic movements according to this can be divided into many types. Phototropic movement, geotropic movement, hydrotropic movement, thigmotropic movement, one more is chemotropic movement. So one by one we are going to learn now. All these are according to their name. Their name: geotropic movement. Geo means earth. The movement towards the earth, that is geotropism or geotropic movement. The movement towards the sun, photo means light. The movement towards light, that is phototropic movement. It should not be always towards the sun. Plants also grow in tube light, in any light. Plants can absorb that light also. So the internal plants, some plants are kept indoors. They are using the light of the tube, artificial light they are using. So photo means only light. Phototropic means the tropism due to light, towards light. Next is hydrotropic. Hydro means water. Hydro means water. So hydrotropic movement means the part of the plant grow towards water. Then it is hydrotropic movement. Any part of the plant grow towards earth, it is geotropic. If it is grow towards light, then it is phototropic. If it is grow towards water, it is hydrotropic. Then what is thigmotropic movement? Thigmotropism means the tendrils of climbers grow towards support. Tendrils of climbers grow towards support, that is thigmotropism. And there is chemotropism. Some parts, plant parts, grow towards chemicals, certain chemicals. That is called chemotropism. So all these things learn one by one. Example and experiment you can conduct to prove phototropism. Now see, a little plant is kept here in on the side of the window. You know, through the window sunlight is coming. So always the plant bend towards the sunlight. This is an example of phototropism. Sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. So they bend towards, the shoot system bend towards, see, the shoot system bend towards sunlight. There is no change in the root system. Root system is always like to remain in the water. Root system remain in water while shoot system bend towards sunlight. This is phototropism. Phototropism. Now you can see another video here. One pot is kept here in such a horizontal way. Normal potted plant is, if you kept a normal potted plant for 1 week like this, you keep 1 week a normal potted plant in a horizontal posture, horizontal fashion, structure, then you can see गिरा दो गमले को ऐसे गिरा दो. उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि रूट हमेशा, रूट it was straight when you through the hole the root come out. Through the hole of this pot the root come out because it is in search of water. If we keep some water outside the pot, we can see the root of the plant is coming out and in search of water. Hydrotropism. And the roots, then if you do not keep water in vessel, you can see the root come out and grow towards the earth. Geotropic movement. Now the plant in search of sunlight, it turn or bend upwards. It is phototropic movement. In the same time it is negatively geotropic. Geotropic means towards the earth. The root is always positively geotropic, means towards the earth. The shoot is always, in the meantime it is phototropic, it is also negatively geotropic. Negatively geotropic. And you can say in the same time the root is positively geotropic while it is negatively phototropic. If it is geotropic, then it is negatively phototropic. So these two terms you have to understand, what is negatively geotropic and what is positively geotropic. Positive when towards it, towards ground, then it is positively geotropic. Away from the ground, then it is negatively geotropic. Okay. The growth in a plant part is in response to gravity is geotropic movement. Geotropic movement means that in response to gravity the root grows. Example, root always grow negatively phototropic but positively geotropic. Stem show negative geotropism and root show positive geotropism. Next, hydrotropic movement. Root grow towards water, that is hydrotropic movement. Thigmotropic movement, as I explained you all these, the movement of climbers. The tendril of there is a special structure arise from in climbers, a special structure arise from the nodes or from the side of the stem, that is called a tendril. This tendril climbed in a support. For a climber is cannot stand itself. It is a weak plant, it cannot stand by itself, so it produces tendrils to climb in a support. So to climb in a support, when tendrils grow, it is called a thigmotropic movement. Tendril happen to act due to the action of auxin. Auxin is a hormone, plant hormone. We are coming to that topic. So some in-text questions are there. You write down these questions today. Some in-text questions. These are the questions. Write it down in your copy. So here there are 4 about these and here 5. 5 questions are here. 5 questions. Now after that we are going to learn plant hormone. Not today but tomorrow. Tomorrow we will join in our online meet class. I will send you the link tomorrow morning for online class. Tomorrow there will be no seminar. So today you write down these questions, do this experiment if you can, or demonstrate it in your copy, write it in your copy and draw this diagram. It is very important. Okay, see you till then. Bye bye.